Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day that I am going to straighten up my closet just a little bit. Just a little bit, because it's really annoying.
Here is what we are looking like. It's finally that time for me to pretend like I'm going to clean this closet, but I'm really just going to straighten some things up on the floor. Y'all know I'm serious too. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home, and I like to create content pertaining to home life. So it could be cooking, cleaning, doing tutorials, showing you how to fix a car or fix a dryer. If that content sounds like something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe, show that like button some love on your way out, and leave a comment and let me know that you're new so I can say, what up?
I just wanna dance it off.
The main goal in this closet today is just to get some things decluttered because I'm really tired of bumping into things every time that I walk in here, but I'm only going to do it to my side of the closet. My husband can handle his side, and it's better that way because he likes to put things in certain spots. Let me know how the organization goes in your home. Are you the organizer? Do you organize for everyone? Kim is not an organizer, okay? You know what excites me most? The fact that I can just walk right in here and not have, bump into stuff. There's plenty of room for my feet. I could dance, I could do the running man, whatever it is that I need to do. So yeah, sorry, my finger was in the camera the entire time. And this is what we are looking like right outside the closet. Obviously the sink is, has stuff all over it. This needs to go in the garage. There's all kinds of stuff in here. And actually I need to get a bookshelf so I can put my books on the bookshelf. But anyway, yeah, a lot of this is trash. And this is my sad lamp for the seasonal anxiety and depression. So yeah, your girl is excited that everything looks much better. And we will have some room in the closet to put some clothes that we gonna get for Christmas. Since I had all of these items on the sink, I'm gonna give it a quick clean with vinegar. If you've never used vinegar before, just know that it's a natural disinfectant. You may not like the smell, but there's so many different ways that you can combat the smell. All right, I just wiped this off because I had put all that stuff on there, so I don't need to wipe anything else in here. But yeah, let me get my vinegar. I need to do a really quick speed clean in the kitchen. It's not dirty at all, but the stove is dirty. And the reason I know that is because it smells weird. Let me know in the comments below if you have that nose too to say, you know what, the floors need mopped because they smell weird. Or the stove and the sink need cleaned because they smell weird. Let me know in the comments below. I know I'm not the only person.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising.
How's everyone doing today? Let me know below in the comments. I was reading through some self-help quotes today and I read one from Oprah Winfrey. Y'all, this is the bomb. It says, be thankful for what you have, you'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never have enough. That is so deep. And it takes me back to the scripture. If you are faithful over a few things, God will make you ruler over many. And let me tell you, I know that to be true. I have so many testimonies regarding that. When I realized that I needed to clean this stove off, I knew that there was some grease on it, so I initially started with the Method degreaser. That degreaser works very well, and then I followed up with vinegar because vinegar does not leave streaks. I don't really like streaks. I feel like if you have streaks, it's still dirty. So that is what I'm, straightening up with.
Wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes.
have 2 O-Cedars here because one I'm going to dry dust the walls with, and the other one I'm just going to mop the floor with. So let me just say this. This has been a long time coming. I have lived in this house for almost 4 years. I've never dusted the walls. I mean, if I have it, I'm lying. I have dusted the walls, but not like this. This is like a deep dust. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, I'm going to clean them, but I want to do some rearranging in my kitchen because my vibe is changing a little bit. So I'm going to wait until I figure all of that out first. You'll have to let me know below in the comments what type of shopper you are. I'm the type of person that I could like something and stalk it for a long time, but I make sure that I purchase all of my decor on sale because I do like to change things around a lot, and it's not expensive to make things look nice. I'm finally at a point where I can add the wax onto the stairs, so that is what I'm going to do now. But first I have to clean it off. I'm wiping these down with just water. Nothing else, no type of cleaner, just water. What is the purpose of having wax over your paint, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked, girl, because it provides a matte finish and it hides any kind of imperfections or brushstroke. And since my profession is not a painter, I assumed that I should probably go ahead and add it because I'm sure there are imperfections because that's just how life goes. I used Martha Stewart Crafts Vintage Decor Clear Wax to coat the actual staircase. So hopefully it works. It only takes 2 hours to dry and then I just wipe it off clean. It is finally time to get this mirror hung. I've only been asking my family for like months now to help me hang it. It's really heavy, and then you have to add those little plastic things into the wall just so that you know your wall doesn't fall apart, because if you have drywall like I do, that's a possibility. Thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate you. You don't even know. I feel like I know some of you and have a personal relationship with you just based off of us conversing in the comments, and I really enjoy it. Okay, so Karia told me to add that there. She said it looks good. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments below. Remember, she's 11, be friendly or I will come for you. It's a joke, YouTube. Please do not demonetize this video. My daughter picked out that tree topper. She doesn't like it, so I was just kind of like playing around to figure out what's gonna happen with the top of the tree. Here are some of the ornaments that I will be putting on, and they all mean something to us.
You guys like the mirror? Leave it in the comments. Let's talk about how I did all of the work. Guys, my mom just came up with the best idea. She said we should decorate that tree.
I've been thinking about your smile.
It is so gloomy today. I know my face is shiny. I just did my skincare routine. But this is the next day from when you just saw all of those clips that came through, because now I put the wax on my staircase and I need to buff it out. Buff. And they say to buff it with something that doesn't have like fuzz or anything like that. I don't have anything that doesn't have fuzz, so I'm just gonna use an old t-shirt and pray that it works. I'm sure it will.
I don't know why I pretend to. That I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I should.
If you want a really smooth finish, it's good to like wax your first coat and then add your next coat and allow it to dry for 24 hours, and then it'll just be beautiful. I told my family, don't touch the white part of the stairs. I forgot what the name of it is, or I would say the name, but right now we're just gonna call it the white part of the stairs, okay? But one person continued to touch it thinking I meant the actual stairs, and I was like, no, the actual staircase handle thing. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, so it kind of looks blotchy, but I mean, honestly, it's fine. It's just me, but it's fine. And it's only blotchy at the bottom. Feeling good, looking good. So hard to tell on camera, but trust me, it looks much better.
Will you ever come back again?
It's almost lunchtime and I want to make a calzone. So this is what we are seasoning the meat with, and then I will show you the rest of the process. This is ground turkey, by the way. Vegetable oil in the pan. It was heating up for like 1 minute, so hopefully it's hot enough because we about to put this meat up in here. So I'm making a calzone, and this is my first time using this type of pizza crust. Normally it's either homemade or pie crust is what I used last time. Anyway, you have to pre-bake this for 6 minutes prior to putting the toppings on, so that's what I'm about to do. I am not sure why they tell you to make it first because it looks like it's cooked all the way through, but let's hope that I can save this. So you can put any veggies that you want on yours. I'm going to use peppers and onion. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. After tasting this, I mean, it was really good. Don't get me wrong. The meat and everything was very well seasoned. However, that crust, that ain't it. Okay, I kind of had to make a pizza roll because I don't know why they say to bake this prior to. It's not done all the way, but it's still like not in a, it's just not good. Anyway, so I'm going to put these in the oven for 8 minutes. With the leftover ground turkey, you can make anything with it. I am going to make like a burrito bowl with some black beans, some rice, and some veggies. So typically when I make the pizza sauce, I use actual spaghetti sauce and doctor it up. I know I'm gonna have to doctor this up because I'm sure it's very salty. So I'm just gonna put some stuff in it, doctor it up, and then, you know, eat it with the roll or whatever the heck you wanna call it. That's supposed to be a calzone. Surprisingly, the sauce is actually pretty good. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar to tame down the salt. I'm also gonna add some Italian seasoning. Here's what we are looking like. It's not pretty. I mean, my normal calzones are, but that's okay. It's gonna be good. And I'm about to slam on it. The cheese is nice and melted onto the crust, and that's it, that's all. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.